What's going on YouTube? This your boy B.Dot back with another quick video. We're pretty much doing DIY right here on this channel. You know, we pretty much do it yourself. How to cut your own beard in your own bathroom at your own house. You know, this is not a salon. This is not a go sit in the chair and get all the bells and whistles to go along with it. You're just trying to basically hook your beard up in your own bathroom in your own house. If you have never had a clipper, liner, trimmer, or whatever, just get one. The goal is to get the motion down, the angles, the feel in hand, etc. I'm not saying go cheap your way out and get some straight garbage, but start somewhere decent. If you're just cleaning up in between barbershop visits, you don't need a $200 liner. But if you are that person that believes in buying quality no matter what it is, the first time, do that. End of the day, it boils down to your skill set. The clipper won't do anything by itself. I show you guys the chalk pencil a lot in my videos. I actually learned that style from 𝐷. So take advantage of the content on YouTube and practice. To me, the Cut Buddy pencil is a good way to get a guideline and always have the exact line up. If you don't have hair in that area, mark your line to where you want it to grow. Every week, repeat until you see the results. So just keep that in mind, man. Practice makes perfect. And doing it yourself will ultimately save you money on barbershop visits. Know your beard. Know what tools work best for your beard texture. If you like soft cheek lines, master that. If you like razor sharp cheek lines, master that. Stop thinking because you have the $200 liner that you're going to magically have the best lineup ever. It definitely takes practice and some sort of skill set. So I hope you guys enjoyed that video, man. Just a little quick tutorial. As you guys can see, I will show you the clippers that I just used right here in this video again. And these clippers are all under $100. You know what I'm saying? Now, don't get me wrong, you can go to your local drugstore, Walmart or whatever. If you have to buy you a little wall home care, home kit clipper, go ahead and buy that. 29, 39 bucks, something like that. It'll get the job done for you if you are just learning the skill set. If you are trying to learn how to get your fade on it the right way. You know, on both sides. If you want to get your Cut Buddy pencil, I'll put that link down below as well. Get the Cut Buddy pencil so you will always have a guideline so you won't mess up. You won't go below that line. So that's big to me. I know a lot of guys, like I said, you don't want to go out and spend $200 on a pair of clippers. You know what I'm saying? Not when you just starting out. So again, this is the Andy Slimline Pro right here. This one goes for about 60 bucks on Amazon. And I'll also put the links down below for this. This is a really, really good liner for that high cheek line, for that sharp cheek line. And this is one of my oldie but goodies. This is the Andy's Master. This one goes for about 100 bucks right now on Amazon. I've had this clipper for 15 years, so I've definitely got my use out of it. That 100 bucks was well spent 15 years ago, you know. And last but not least, we got the Brio Beard Escape. Now I used this one today with the 0 gap blade on it, and I used that to bald off my head, as you guys can see. I got this close lens on, so I got to bend down some, but as you guys can see, I went ahead and put the 0 all the way on my head to get it nice and bald. Fade it right into the ball. I'm good to go. This is the Brio Beard Escape. I think this is going for like $79.95 right now. So, and the 0 gap blade is like $24.99. So it's your skill set. It's not the tools. Now all these tools are under 100 bucks, but you can even go lower and find you one, like I said, for 29 bucks at the drugstore, at Walmart. You know what I'm saying? You don't have to spend $150, $200 to try to get this gold clipper, baby-less clipper, or whatever it's called, and you come home and you don't even know how to hold it in your hands. It's not going to do anything for you. So watch these videos, man. Tune into a ton of other guys on YouTube. Watch these videos, man. Get these tutorials, get these how-to videos, do it yourself at the crib, and that's going to really help you out with any clipper you got. So as always, thanks for checking me out. This is your boy B.Dot. Thanks for all the continued support. Continue to like, comment, and subscribe on the videos. And I'll holla back. Peace.